In a few moments we'll give a demonstration of the use of the oxygen mask, the life vest, and we'll also explain some other flight safety procedures. If you have any questions after this demonstration, please feel free to ask us. And ladies and gentlemen, during this flight you can use your small electronic devices such as smartphones and e-readers.
Travel. What is its meaning? Escaping daily routine, stepping outside comfort zones, opportunities to explore new horizons, viewing real people and their cultures, interest in the differences, comfort in the similarities. A citizen of the global village, holding an open passport. I travel, I learn, I grow. This is my adventure to Phuket, Thailand.
It's 1:30, 8-hour flight, just arrived in Phuket. Waiting for a bus driver to come and pick us up. Going all the way through Khao Lak, and then the adventure starts from tomorrow. So we just got to the Bell in Khao Lak beach. It's going to be our place for the next 5 nights. Pretty fancy. Got this Japanese thing going, I reckon. But yeah, we're going to check out if you are now. See what it looks like. But yeah, we're about 15 minutes out of Patong, so nice and quiet. In with the locals.
It's been such a hard day, man. Fuck.
This is insane. Good morning, wanderers. Welcome to Khao Lak Beach. Just a bit of a early morning stokie to start off the day before we get into breakfast. Isn't that right, Beck?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. We just woke up. Breakfast at 8:30, so we're just waiting for them to bring breakfast to our villa. And then we'll be going to the Phi Phi Islands to explore some of the beaches and surrounding islands near there. Should be a good day. He is back, huh? Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate.
chicken tom yum soup as an entree.
Very
Some
nice.
chicken green curry or chicken Thai curry as the main. And we're doing a papaya salad.
We are on our way to the Elephant Retirement Park in Phuket, which is one of a few elephant sanctuaries in Thailand. They promote the protection and welfare of elephants by taking in rescued and retired elephants and providing a sustainable habitat for them to live in. Today's experience at the retirement park will include us feeding the elephants as well as swimming and bathing these beautiful creatures. This is a more natural experience and the elephants do not feel forced like in the entertainment industry where they have to have their spirits broken by beating them and chaining up the elephants to become submissive in order to perform human activities. Some of these inhumane acts can still be noticed at the elephant park today. This young elephant who's been here for about a week still shows its rocking motion, which is an imprint of her restricted movement when she was chained up. Although their behavior will fade away, it will take time for the elephant to realize its new surroundings. The Elephant Retirement Park in Phuket currently hosts 7 elephants and is looking to expand as soon as they can acquire more land. Although it is a bit more expensive, I personally believe it is worthwhile paying for this experience compared to other elephant shows, as it is having a positive impact trying to rescue these magnificent creatures. At the end of the day, it is us tourists who dictate where our money goes, and this can help reverse the effect we have on the elephant entertainment business. We should try and travel responsibly, but also at the same time have as much fun as we can.